In this lecture, we need to create 3D practice exercise 18. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice, click here open. Then select here box, click here and select here length. We need to make it length for 10 plus 10, 20 mm. First we will create this box. Make it length 20, then press enter. Make it here width 150 mm. Go to here, make it 150, then press enter. Next we need to make it a height 160 mm. You can see here 160. Make it 160, then press enter. It is ready. Next we need to remove this one and remove this one. You can see here height is 60, horizontal it is 10 mm. Go to here, select here front, then go to the rectangle, click here, go to the dimension. You can see x direction it is 10, then press enter. The y direction it is 60 mm, 60, then press enter. Click here, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it exactly this midpoint, then go to the press tool, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. If you go to this side, you can see here. Next we need to make it this area for 10, 40. Go to here, select here rectangle, click here, go to the dimension, make it 10, press enter, 40, then press enter. Click this location, select this one, go to here, copy, click this end point, place it here, press escape key, select this one, go to the move command, click this end point, place it exactly this end point, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, and click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this arrangement. You can see here this arrangement. This one radius you can see 25, so we can consider total it is 50, diameter 50, radius 25. Just go to here, go to the copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it 50, then press enter. You can see. Next we need to make it press full. You will get it a dimension here, it is 45. You can see here it is 70. 45 plus 25, you will get it 70. That is here. Go to here, go to the press full, click here, make it 70, then press enter. Press escape key, select this line, delete it. Next we need to make it this fillet also. You can see here radius 25. Go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, select here radius 25, press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same command, click here, press double enter. Now it is ready. Next we can make this circle also, then we can make it press full. You can see here radius 15. Go to here, then go to the home, select here top, then go to the circle, go near to this, click here, we need to make it 15 radius. Go to here, make it 15, press enter, then go to the press tool, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Next we need to make it this arrangement. You can see here this arrangement. For that, make it here top. You can see, just make it here top, that is very important. X and Y, make it like this. Then go to the polyline, then click here, click this endpoint, shift right click, select here tangent, just go near to this, you will get it here tangent point, click here, then click this endpoint, type C in your keyboard, then press enter. Next we need to extrude that one. You can see here thickness, it is 10 mm. Go to here, select this one, go to extrude 10, then press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it exactly this midpoint. Then go to the union, select this one, press enter. Now it is union. You can see it is placed perfectly like this. Next we need to make it here this one we need to place it, that thickness also 10 mm. Go to here, select here friend, then go to the polyline, click this endpoint and click this endpoint, click here, then type C in your keyboard, then press enter. Select this one, go to here extrude, make it 10, then press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and place it this midpoint. Similar way you can create here, or you can mirror that one. Just go to here, just go to here, select here right or left, anyone, select this one, type MI in your keyboard, press enter, click this midpoint and click here, then press enter. Then go to here south is isometric, you can see here. Then go to union, select everything, then press enter. Now it is changed to one component. Next we can create the circle. You can see here circle radius 5. Go to here, make it right, then go to the circle, click here, make it a radius 5, then press enter. Similar way you can create here also, press enter, repeat the same, radius 5, and select this one. We need to move that circle this side 15 and this side 15, you can see here. Go to the move command, make it this side 15, press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side 15 also, and select this one, go to the move command, make it this side 15, press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, make it 15, press enter. Now this one is ready. Then go to here, select here right, then type MI in keyboard, press enter. Select this two circle, press enter, click this midpoint and click here, press enter. Then go to the 3D southeast isometric, then go to the press pull, click here and click here, click here and click here, and click here and click here, make it like this, click here and make it like this. Press escape key, select this two circle, delete it, and select this one also, delete it. Now this one is ready. You can see here, now this product is ready. You can arrange this drawing inside layout and you can create the dimensions. This is very easiest dimension. You can create a linear dimension and radius, and you can make all the changes here. Then you can save the drawing, you can print the drawing.